Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kathy. You're watching Kathy's Country Life. Just got home from work. Whew, it's been a day. But I saw this recipe on Facebook that one of my cousins had posted. And so I looked at the ingredients and I was like, hey, the title of it said, hey, so I'm here to make it. Hey, we're going to make a Philly cheesesteak casserole. It seems like it's very easy, cut and dry. Who don't love a good casserole? Who don't love a good Philly cheesesteak? Okay, so it calls for, I printed out the recipe, a pound of ground beef. I have got, it's 1.35 pounds of, so it'll be fine, it'll be fine. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here, put this in the skillet and get it browned up. So while I'm doing that and getting all the other ingredients ready, I'm going to let y'all watch. The other day was my mother-in-law's birthday. I cooked dinner for her. I didn't record the cooking dinner for her because it was basically pot roast, Mississippi pot roast in a crock pot. And I fried up some okra that I had frozen, already breaded from the summer. Y'all were with me when we did that. And some frozen corn from the summer. So that's all I did. But I made banana pudding for desserts. And this is how they make banana pudding. My sister-in-law makes it. It's my father-in-law's favorite. My mother-in-law likes it too. And my sister-in-law always makes him one before she leaves to go home. She lives out of state and they come home often, but before she leaves to go home, she always makes him a banana pudding. This is a microwave, quick and easy banana pudding. We don't do calf slobber, meringue, or Cool Whip on the top, but you can certainly do this. So I'm going to let you see how I did that while I'm getting the ground beef browned and ingredients together. Hey, welcome back. I'm doing something quick here, guys. Today's my mother-in-law's birthday, so it's so cold outside. It's 33 degrees right now, and for Alabama, that is very cold. But I'm cooking her supper tonight. I've just got a Mississippi pot roast in a crock pot, and I'm going to make banana pudding for dessert. So I wanted to show y'all real quick my banana pudding recipe that I do in the microwave. It's so easy and it's so good. Okay, so first of all, I've got my blender out, and what I've got in here already is 6 eggs. I've got 3 yolks and then 3 whole eggs. I don't make a meringue. We don't care for the meringue on top, so I don't keep my egg whites. But if you like meringue on top of yours, then just do 6 egg yolks and keep your egg whites to make your meringue. So anyway, I've got my eggs in here, and then I've got 4 cups of milk, and I'm making a mess. Pour and don't come all out. That is 4 cups of milk. I'm using 2%. You can use whole milk, skim milk. It doesn't matter. And I'm cleaning up my mess I made. Milk poured everywhere. Okay. Alright, so we got eggs. We got milk. Let me wipe this top off. Hang on. Okay. To this I have got 6 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. I've got 1 1/3 cup of granulated sugar and about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And we're going to put that in. I'll list the recipe down there. And I'm kind of whispering because my husband's over there sleeping in his recliner. But this, when I turn this on, it's going to wake him up. Okay. So we're just going to put the lid on, if I can. I have the hardest time with this. Okay, and then we're just going to pulse it several times. I'm going to stop it so you don't have to hear that loud noise. Okay. It's all good and frothy. And just get you a microwave safe batter bowl. Pour this in. Okay, now I'm going to put this in the microwave on high for about 4 minutes. And then we're going to get it out and stir it up and then put it back in for a couple more minutes, stopping it every minute to stir it. Okay, so it's been 4 minutes. I'm going to give it a stir. I can already tell it's starting to thicken up. Good whisking. Okay, now I'm going to put it in and I'm going to let it go in 1 minute intervals. It may take 3 minutes, don't know, but I'm going to do 1 minute, take it out, whisk it up, back in, another minute, take it out. You get it. You get my drift. Okay, that took longer. I forgot I doubled the recipe, but it's gotten, it is thickened. And it does, it tends to thicken around the edges more, so just make sure you give it a really good whisk. Now I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of butter. Get it mixed in good. Couple of teaspoons of vanilla. My battery quit on me. I had to change out battery. Sorry about that. Okay, so I've got the butter and the vanilla in here. I have cut up 4 bananas. And these were pretty green. And then this is a 10-ounce pack of vanilla wafers. These are the Bud's Best. If you are from the South, you know. There. Oh, it's a piece of black off the banana. One for the cook. So this is really hot now, still. So get all that incorporated, and then I'm just going to set it here on the counter and let it be cooling, and as it cools it will thicken up. Vanilla wafers will soften. I don't think I need any more. There we go. Okay. That's how we do our vanilla wafers, or vanilla pudding. I can't talk, banana pudding. My sister-in-law taught me this. She always makes her daddy a banana pudding when she comes home before she leaves, and this is how she always does it. And it's so easy. Okay, this has been cooking for a while. This was a very lean ground beef. There's just not a whole lot of grease, so I'm not going to drain it because I think that you'll need it to cook the vegetables. So it calls for 1 onion chopped up. That was a very big onion. I probably shouldn't have used all of it. But that's okay. And then it calls for 1 green bell pepper chopped. I've got these from last year's garden that I had just froze. And that's probably a good large bell pepper. Actually, these were the Born to Be Milds that I grew. It's supposed to be like a mild jalapeno bell pepper hybrid type thing, but to me they tasted just like a bell pepper. So I had a bunch of those, so I chopped those and froze those, and we have been enjoying those in dishes. Alright, we're going to let the vegetables soften up. Oh, I need one more thing I need. Calls for 8 ounces of mushrooms. These are freeze-dried mushrooms. They don't call for freeze-dried mushrooms, it calls for fresh mushrooms. You could probably even use canned mushrooms in this. But I'm hoping the liquidy and the steam and stuff will get these rehydrated. Alright, so I'm going to let those cook a little bit and get soft and tender. I'm going to try to bury the mushrooms somewhat. Okay, we're going to let those cook and get soft. Okay, the meat's done. And I forgot to add that I did salt and pepper the beef when I was cooking it, so I did season it. And I just got mayonnaise all over my hand. Okay, so now for the topping, let me bring you down. Okay, so it calls for a 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, a 1/2 cup of heavy cream, I think I got a little in this container. Let's use this. That's just about a 1/2 cup. I just need a smidge. Okay, 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Okay, so it calls for 2 cups of shredded provolone cheese. I went to the local Piggly Wiggly at lunch today, and they didn't have any shredded, they didn't have any blocked. All they had was these slices, and this is just 8 ounces. This is just 1 cup. So I had this in the refrigerator. It's an Italian style that I got at Aldi, which has got mozzarella, provolone, Romano, Parmesan. So it's got provolone in it, so I'm going to make up the difference with this. But if you're making it and you don't want to experiment on cheeses, it calls for 2 cups of shredded provolone. The only time I've ever bought provolone has been the slice, so I've never looked for it being shredded or in a block. So I'm just going to finely chop this up. So it'll be it'll be a little bit bigger than the shredded Italian style, but that's okay. Cheese is cheese, right? I could probably just layer this, but you have to mix it in with this mixture. Just gonna roughly slice this up in little bits. Well, we got out of freezing today. Right now the temperature is 50 degrees, and my gosh, it feels like a heat wave out there. We're going to have warm temperatures this week. We were freezing, below freezing for a week, and now I think one day it's going to go get up close to 70. This Alabama weather is crazy. Is your weather crazy where you are? Everybody's going to be sick. That sure does look more than 8 ounces. I mean, that's more than a cup. I mean, don't you think? Let's just put it in here. Of course, it's not shredded, but yeah, that's more than a cup. But it says 8 ounces. Well, well, guys, let's do this. I'll just put a smidge of this in there. I mean, because it's pretty finely chopped. I'll put a handful of this in. I'm making it up as we go. Okay, just gonna mix all this up. Then, calls for a teaspoon of Worcestershire. I'm wondering if this is going to be enough to spread over the casserole. Go for it. Alright, I've just got a casserole dish out because we're making a casserole. That smells delicious. Out. I mean, that smells so good. Anything with peppers and onions in it. Okay, so we'll start. So I'll dollop and then spread. I don't know that we'll have anything with this. I mean, it's got the meat and the veggies. If I had made some rolls or something, laid out some this morning, we could have had bread, but I didn't. And on weeknights, I don't go all out on cooking big meals when I have to work. I think it'll be enough. Okay, you're going to have your oven preheated to 350. And my hands are clean. And you're going to cook it 25 to 30 minutes until bubbly and a golden color. Y'all, I think this is going to be delicious. Okay, what time is it? I'm going to wait about 20 minutes before I put this in the oven. I mean, it's ready to go, but it's a little early, so it really didn't take no time at all to do this. So I will be back when I take it out of the oven and we serve it up. It's ready. Smells delicious. I'm gonna let it cool down just a smidge because I just took it out of the oven and that cheese will be atomic. So I'm gonna let it cool down, then I'm gonna dip me some out. We're gonna do a taste test. Can't wait. Okay, let's do this. Stringy cheese. Dab the cheese off my chin. Okay, so provolone cheese is very stringy, or it could have been that Italian blend. Hot. Very good. Okay, I swallowed it. It's hot. So, very good. I will put the recipe along with the banana pudding down in the description box so you can make it. Very easy weeknight meal. Delicious. I'm going to sit on my honey and eat this bowl. So thanks for being here. I really, really appreciate it. And if you haven't already, I invite you to please hit the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. I love reading comments. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.